Welcome to the installation of the Thule 848 Hull-a-port XT folding J-style kayak carrier. The Hull-a-port XT can carry up to a 75-pound kayak on its side and fits most factory and wing-shaped bars as well as traditional square bars. To begin installation, pull the torx wrench out of the side of the carrier and locate the small bolts just above the clamps. Tighten both clamps until they are very snug and give the cradle a good shake to make sure it doesn't move. Locks can be installed in the torx wrench as well to help prevent theft of the kayak carriers. Once installed, insert the tool back into the side of the carrier to cover the bolt hole of one of the clamps. The Hull-a-port XT has 3 settings for its vertical post. Release the gray lever and you can fold it to the angled position for one kayak, the straight up position to carry a second kayak on each side with an additional set of straps, and then fold it back down when not in use. To begin loading the kayak, first prepare the front and rear straps by looping them through the post and laying them on the front and rear of the vehicle. Next, load your kayak so the weight is evenly distributed on the carriers. Adjust the angle of the kayak as needed. With the vertical post in the angled position, your kayak will lean a little toward the middle of the roof. In the straight up position, the kayak will be fully on its side. Now take your straps and bring them over the kayak and take the non-buckle end and loop it underneath the inside of the tower on your rack. Adjust the strap accordingly and tighten it down until it is very snug. And also be sure to always tie your balance sterns as well. Thanks for watching the installation of the Thule 848 Hull-a-port XT kayak carrier. If you have further questions, visit us at rackwarehouse.com or call us at 800-272-5362. And always remember, we fit your lifestyle.